Good evening, sir. My name is K. Ashwita. I am from second year CSE C section. In this video, today we are going to discuss about two topics. One is a program about a greatest number or a smallest number, and the second one is the architecture of 8086 interrupt. First, we will see the program about greatest number or smallest number. Here, first we need to print the macro message LEADX, MSG, MOVH, 09H, in 21H and NDM. After that, declare the memory as dot model small and the data as dot data. Here I declare two variables, namely n1 and n2. After that, I printed a message for entering the first number, and similarly I printed the message for entering the second number. In this program, for the output we have three cases. In the output we will give two values. It contains of three cases. Those are the first number may be greatest, or second number may be greatest, or else the both numbers are going to be equal. We'll start the code segment as dot code move ax comma data. It means the data is stored in the ax register. After that, move dx comma ax. It means the stored data in ax register is moved to ds. After that, s1 is going to be printed, and then move ah comma 01h. In 21H, move n1 comma al. It means al value is moved to n1, and then s2 is going to be printed. Move ah comma dh. In 21H, move n2 comma al. It means the al value is again stored in n2, and then subtract al and n2, and then compare al comma 00h. Compare zl and L1, ZZ and L2, ZE and L3. ZL means jump less than, JG means jump greater than, JE means jump equal. Here in L1, S4 is going to be printed, move H comma 4H, and in 21H. In L2, S3 is going to be printed, and move AH comma 4CH in 21H. In L3, S5 is going to be printed, move AH comma 4CH and in 21H, and the program is ended by here. After the compilation of the program, it asks enter the first number, and we'll enter the number. After that, it asks second number, we'll enter the second number. After the execution, suppose we give the first number as 9 and second number as 5, the output is going to be printed as first number is greater than second number. And second one is about architecture of 8086 interrupts. So now, what is an interrupt? Interrupt is the method of creating a temporary halt during the program execution and allows the peripheral devices to access the microprocessor. The microprocessor responds to that interrupt with an ISR. Types of interrupts. There are two types of interrupts. First one is hardware interrupt. Second one is software interrupt. And again, hardware interrupt is classified into two types. Maskable interrupt and second one is non-maskable First we'll discuss about hardware interrupt. It is caused by any peripheral device by sending a signal through a specified pin to the microprocessor. And the 8086 has two hardware interrupt pins. Those are NMI and INTR. First, what is NMI? It is a single non-maskable interrupt pin having higher priority than the INTR pin. Next, INTR. It is a maskable interrupt because the microprocessor will be interrupted only if the interrupts are enabled using set interrupt flag instruction. Set interrupt flag instruction. And then software interrupt. These interrupt instructions can be used to test working of various interrupt handlers. It includes INT. It is a 2-byte instruction set. First byte provides the opcode and second byte provides the interrupt type number. There are 256 interrupt types under this group. Its execution includes the following steps. Step 1. Flag register value is pushed on to the stack. Step 2. CS value of return addresses and IP value of return addresses are pushed on to the stack. And step 3. Interrupt flag and trap flag is reset to 0. The string addresses for the type 0 is 000000H and for type 1 is 00004H. Similarly, for type 2 is 00008H and so on. The first 5 pointers are dedicated as interrupt pointers. Type 0. It represents the division by 0 situation. Type 1. It represents the single step execution during the debugging of a program. Type 2. It represents the NMI interrupt. Type 3. It represents the breakpoint interrupt. Type 4. It represents overflow interrupt. Type 5 to type 31 are reserved for other advanced microprocessors, and interrupts from 32 to type 255 are available for hardware and also for software interrupts. So this is about the architecture of 8086 interrupts. Thank you, sir.